Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to start with a new topic, sales tax, value added tax, and goods and service tax. So, sales tax you have heard in many places. Some of your parents will be doing the business, so you have heard about this sales tax, value added tax, VAT, VAT. The abbreviation form of value added taxes, VAT, VAT. GST, you have heard this GST. Commonly we will be using this GST in this day-to-day life. Goods and service tax. So these are the varieties of taxes which is introduced, which is charged by the government. Okay, the government is charging us the tax for buying or selling something and all. They are charging it, and we are going to pay the amount to the government. Okay, when you want to supply something to the persons, you are supposed to pay some tax. Okay, so when you are having some land, yearly or 6 months once, you have to pay the property tax or land tax. If you have water connection in your home, for that you should pay some particular amount 6 months once as water tax. So everything you have to pay the tax. So that tax will be collected by the government, and they'll use it for the welfare of the country or something. Okay, country or state, each government. If Tamil Nadu government, if you're giving it, it will be used by the Tamil Nadu government for their welfare of that state. So likewise, whatever tax we are paying, it is used for the country. Okay, so now there is one bill which is shown here. See, the bill number is there. Usually when you go to some shops to buy something, where they'll provide you a bill, in that bill number will be there, date in which you buy, menu, what and all things you have bought. If it is a grocery shop, you got chili powder something and all, that they'll write the serial number, items, how much quantity. If it is 1 packet or 2 packets, that quantity will be given. Rate for 1 packet, how much it is. Rate is nothing but for each packet they'll be sending you amount. So for 10 packet, if you are buying, into 10 if you multiply, and you will write the amount, and adding it up you will get the total amount. So the bill amount will be with sales tax or with GST, anything. Okay, so they have given the definition of the sales tax. Sales tax, ST, is charged by the government on the sale of an item. Okay, when you are selling some item, you should pay a certain or particular amount to the government as tax. That is called as sales tax. When you are selling something, okay, so that time you should pay the sales tax. It is collected by the shopkeeper from the customer and given to the government. Okay, so when you are selling something, you will collect some tax to the customer. Customer means, if I am going to buy some dress from a shop, I should pay a sales tax, so that the shopkeeper will get the sale tax, and the shopkeeper it will be given to the government. Okay, so there is, and this is therefore always on a selling price of an item. Okay, so this tax is collected on the selling price of the item. So in the last class we have discussed about the overhead charges. Do you remember that? When you are buying something, and when you are selling that product, you will have some additional charges like repairs, some extra charges like transportation charges, like that and all. That is the overhead charges which will be added to the cost price. Here this tax will be, sales tax will be added to the selling price of an item. Okay, and is added to the value of the bill. In the bill they will be adding it. There is another type of tax which is included in the prices, known as value added tax. Okay, so the sales tax will be used in selling price of an item. Value added tax will be used in prices of the item, which means each price of particular items will be there now. For that and all you will be using this value added tax. Next, from July 1, 2017, Government of India introduced GST. Okay, you have heard this word GST, which stands for Goods and Services Tax, which is relied on supply of goods or services or both. When you're paying a tax for supplying of goods or services, you should pay a GST, which is very much common here. For each and everything nowadays we are paying GST. Okay, so based upon this tax we are going to deal with the problem. Okay, so just it is a payment which is given to the just charged by the government for the welfare of the government, where we customers have to pay and we have to get the item and we have to pay the tax along with this. Okay, so there are different types of tax. Sales tax is there, value added tax is there, goods and services tax is there. Okay, next is the example number 8. Okay, what is the question? Finding sales tax, that they have given already in the question itself. Finding sales tax, the cost of a pair of roller skates, skating shoe, that the roller skates use say in a pair, which means we have for 2 legs also. So 2 things. So it is a pair of roller skate at a shop was rupees 450. So what was that price? It is 450 rupees. The sales tax charged was 5%. Find the bill amount. Okay, the sales tax will be charged on the selling price of an item, that you know, right? Sales tax will be charged on the selling price of an item, and at last it will be added in the bill. So along with the price of the item we should pay the tax, and along with that only they will give you the item. When you pay this amount 450 along with few rupees tax only, you will get that roller skate. So they are asking what is the tax they have charged it and what will be our bill amount. Okay, that is what our question. At last what will be the bill amount? So bill amount will be the combination of the that item's price plus tax, and it is a sale tax, so it will be influenced on the selling price of the item. Correct? So what is the sales tax percentage? Sale tax is equal to 5% of the selling price. Correct? Because the sales tax will be charged on the selling price, but the overhead charges will be charged on the cost price. So it is 5%. So 5% of the selling price is nothing but sales tax. What is the selling price of that item, children? 450 rupees. Selling price of the item is 450 rupees. So what will be the sales tax amount? 5% of 450 rupees. Correct? Selling price is nothing but 450. 5% of 450. 5 by 100 into 450. 0, 0 cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 45 divided by 2. 2 twos are 4. 0, 5, 2 twos are 4, 1.0, 2 fives are 10, 0. So what is the rupees the tax they have charged? 22.5 rupees they have charged as sales tax. Tax alone. Upper bill amount, how it will be? Bill amount will be cost of an item plus tax. What tax they are charging? Sales tax. Cost of an item plus sales tax will be the bill amount. What is the cost of the item? 450 rupees plus sales tax 22.5. So bill amount will be 472.50 rupees will be the total bill amount which you have to pay, and you should buy this product. Understood? Next is your example number 9. Okay. What is the question? Value added tax, VAT. Wahida bought an air cooler for rupees 3,300 including a tax of 10%. So she bought an air cooler, that is 3,300. In that 3,300 itself, the tax is included. Okay, we don't want to pay it extra. Along with the cost of the item, the tax is also included. After that only we are getting the amount as 3,300. Okay, find the price of the air cooler before VAT was added. So what was the original price of that air cooler before the tax was added? That is the question they are asking. Okay. So now let me see what is that VAT, value added tax. So this is also actually where it will be in the selling price of the item. Okay, but here we don't want to find the selling price because selling price is already given, but we have to find the original price of the thing. What is that thing? Is air cooler. We should find the original price of that air cooler. So how much percentage of VAT is added? 10%, which means if original price is, simply I am saying, okay, original price is 100 rupees means, okay, after adding the price will become 110 rupees. Okay, if the original price is 100 rupees now, after adding the VAT it will be 110 rupees. If original price is 2000 rupees means VAT will be how much? 2200 rupees. Okay, if 2000, original price is 2000 rupees now. This VAT, after adding the VAT, the bill will be bill amount. Okay, after adding the price, after adding that VAT, the bill amount will be 2200 rupees. This is what the concept. Okay, so now we should find the original price of that this air cooler. Okay, so what we are actually getting is, so now we are going to find it. Okay, so when the VAT amount is VAT after adding VAT, okay, when after adding the VAT the bill amount is 110 rupees means original price will be 100 rupees. Correct? The same thing I am writing here. When the VAT amount is 110, after adding the VAT amount, the bill amount is 110 rupees means the original will be 100 rupees. So when the VAT, after adding the VAT, after adding the VAT, the bill amount is 1 rupee means original will be 100 by 110. Correct? This will go down. Yes? After adding the VAT, see children, this is not symbolically I am writing, not it is like not in a proper sentence. It is actually after adding the VAT, if the bill amount is 1 means original will be 100 divided by 110. Okay. After adding the VAT, if the bill amount is 3300, original will be 100 divided by 110 into 3300. Hey, this is like unitary method. Okay, for one chocolate 10 rupees means 20 chocolates 10 into 20, the same thing. After adding the VAT, the bill amount is 3300 only. No, this question, after adding the VAT, the bill amount is, which means the selling price is 3300. If it is 3300, original price will be 100 by 110 into 3300. 0 0 cancel. 11th table, 11 ones are 11 30s are 100 into 30, 3000 rupees. So what was your original price of the air cooler? It was 3000 rupees. After adding the VAT, it is 3300. Understood? It is very easy actually. See children, original amount is 100 na, VAT will be 120. After adding the VAT, not VAT, okay. VAT is 10 rupees. Okay, after adding the VAT, the bill amount will be 110 rupees. The same thing I wrote here. After adding the VAT, if the bill amount is 110 rupees, original amount will be 100 rupees. After adding the VAT, bill amount is 1 rupee means original will be 100 by 110. After adding the VAT, bill amount is 3300 means 100 by 110 into 3300. Cancel it, 3000 rupees. You got the original amount of the air cooler, which is 3000 rupees. Understood? So after adding the VAT, the amount is 3300. Next, Example number 10. Next question is example number 10. What is the question? Salim bought an article for rupees 784 which is included GST of 20%, so 12%. Okay, he bought an article of what rupees? 784 rupees. This is the selling price of that article. In that price itself the GST is included, like last problem. Okay, what is the price of the article before GST was added? So what is the original price of that article? That is the question. Correct? So now the same thing. If original price is 100 rupees, after adding GST, bill amount will be how much? It is 12%. Appo 112 rupees. Original price is 100 rupees na. Bill amount, after adding the bill amount, after adding the GST, the bill amount will be 112 rupees. Correct? So now we are going to recreate it. Bill amount after GST is 112 rupees means original amount will be 100 rupees. Correct? Bill amount after GST will be 112 rupees. The same thing I am writing it reversely. The original will be 100 rupees. If the same bill amount after GST is 1 rupee, original will be 100 by 112 rupees. Yes, if this will go down. 100 by 112. Same. Bill amount after GST is 784 rupees. That is what given here, right? This is the bill amount after GST is included. Is equal. Then original will be 100 by 112 into 784. Yes, 100 by 112 into 784. Now we shall cancel it. In which table we can cancel it, children? In the 7th table we can cancel it. 7 ones are 7, remainder 4. 7 6 are 42. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Again, this comes in 8th table. Is it possible? 332. Yes. 8 twos are 16. 8 ones are 8, remainder 3, 8 fours are 32, 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are. So 100 into 7, 700 rupees. So what is the original price when GST is not included? 700 rupees. After this GST is included, it is 784 rupees. Understood? This is what your original price of that article. 700 rupees is the original price of that article. Understood? Next, we will go to the exercise 8.2, children. You can take page number 125 in your NCERT textbook. We can directly go to the first question. What is the question? A man got a 10% increase in his salary, which means 10% of the salary is increased. They have given an increment to his salary. If his new salary is 1,54,000, find the original salary. So they have given you the new salary and how much they have increased that they have given in percentage. We should find the original salary. Correct? So now we go to the solution. Given, what is given? Increase percentage is equal to 10%. Correct? Yes. Then what about the new salary? New salary is equal to rupees 1,54,000. Yes, this is your new salary. Now what we have to find? Original salary. So I am taking, let original salary be X. Why it is X? Because I'm taking because I don't know what is that original salary, so I'm taking that original salary as X. So when I add original salary plus what they have given increment, will, if you add these two, original salary and increment, if you add both, you will get the new salary, correct? Yes, if you add the original salary with the increment amount, you will get the new salary. So what is your actually your increment will be? What is actually your increment will be? Increment is nothing but, increment will always be nothing but 10% of the original salary they have incremented it. Yes? Yes? See children, when you add the original salary plus increment, you will get the new salary. This is what the term you know. So actually increment means what? The increase, how much it is increased, that is the increment. 10% of the original salary is increased actually. So 10% means what? 10 by 100 of means multiplication. What is your original salary? X. 10 by 100 into X is your increment. Okay. Now shall we do this? Original salary is what? X. Original salary is X plus increment is what? 10 by 100 into X. Original salary is X plus new increment is 10 by 100 into X is equal to, what is the new salary? 1,54,000. Yes, X plus 10 by 100 into X is equal to 1,50,000. Now we'll do it. X plus 10 into X, 10x divided by 100 is equal to 1,54,000. Yes. Now these two, can we take LCM? Yes. Now we'll do it into 100. I have to make this denominator 100. So into 100 into 100. X into 100 is how much? 100x divided by 100 plus 10x by 100. 100x by 100 plus 10x by 100 is equal to 1,54,000. Now 100x, now what we'll write? Both have same denominators. So what you will do? 100x plus 10x divided by 100 is equal to 1,54,000. Yes, see children, 100x plus 10x divided by 100 is equal to 1,54,000. 100x plus 10x, 110x divided by 100 is equal to 1,54,000. Now I want to find only x is equal to 1,54,000. If this 110 by 100 go that side, it becomes reciprocal, 100 by 110. Yes, because I want to find only x children, which is the unknown here. So I am bringing that to next side. So 100 by 110. Cancel it. 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 4. 14s are 0, 0, 0. So answer is x is equal to 1,40,000. So 1,40,000 is the x value. So what is your original salary now? Original salary is nothing but x. Original salary is nothing but 1,40,000. So from this 1,40,000, they have incremented to 1,54,000. So they have increased 14,000, right? 14,000 they have increased. So that 14,000 is nothing but the increment what they have done. So that 14% will be the 10% of this 1,40,000 rupees. Understood? So original salary is 1,40,000. Next, your second problem is there, no children. That is your homework. Okay. So actually second problem is like increase decrease percentage. Do you remember the formula? Decrease in difference in amount divided by original amount into 100. Using that formula, we can solve that second problem. Okay. So today's class, we have discussed a few problems from the sales tax, value added tax, and GST, and in exercise 8.2 first problem we have discussed. Second problem I have given you as a homework. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.